Today's chilly adventure takes me to Dingmans Falls, located in the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area. I'll share some of my settings with you as I move up the trail. Today I'm at Dingmans Falls, or at least on the trail on my way up to Dingmans Falls. Had to hike down by the road because the main access to this place is closed. So coming along, finding some beautiful waterways as we're working our way up towards the falls. As you can see over my shoulders, some really nice smaller ones. Let's head on up to the next spot. As we make our way up to the top of the falls, there's a beautiful area behind me called Silver Thread Falls. It's really incredible. It's very vertical and looks like just a small crevice. It almost has the appearance of being man-made. Take a look at this. Made it to Dingmans Falls. It's absolutely breathtaking. This is the second highest waterfall in Pennsylvania. The falls are slightly covered in ice off to either side, making for some really nice opportunities here. Let's take some shots and see what we can do. One of the difficulties at this location is that it's situated in a deep valley. This creates some very challenging lighting. My solution here is to take a series of bracketed shots and process them in post to bring back the full dynamic range as my eyes saw it.